I'm going to take a moment to explain a RAID disk system to you. RAID stands for Redundant Array of Independent Disks. It's commonly used in network-attached storage devices and other places where data is stored where data loss is not an option. In this example, we have 5 disks, and data is written to disks in ones and zeros. It's called binary. On each disk, the RAID has marked a spot for something called parity data. In this example, that's marked in yellow. Data does not get written to the parity block until the data is written to the rest of the blocks. So, if we start writing data randomly to the disk, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Now, we have data written to our disk, but we don't want to lose that data. So what happens is that the RAID controller comes back and it counts the value of the written data. In line 1, the value is even. 1 and 1 equals 2, which is even. On line 2, 1, 1, and 1 is 3, which is odd. Line 3 is odd. Line 4, 1 and 1 is even. Line 5 is even. Line 6 is even. Line 7 is odd. Line 8 is even. Line 9 is odd. And line 10 is even. Now, we have our data written to the disk and it's protected. But let's say, just for advance of this exercise, we lose disk 3. Disk 3 has resulted in a physical failure and it has died. Under normal circumstances, any of the data that is written to that disk would be lost. In a RAID system, what it allows you to do is replace the failed disk with a new blank disk. At that point, the RAID controller will come back and it will run its parity check again, and it will say that line 1 is even, line 2 is odd, line 3 is odd, line 4 is odd, line 5 is odd, line 6 is even, line 7 is odd, line 8 is even, line 9 is even, and line 10 is odd. And in this example, what you will see is that the RAID controller has gone back and it has immediately replaced the data that was lost on disk 3. It's exactly the same. The disk system has protected you from losing the data on that disk. And that's how data is stored when you don't want it to get lost.